Oh my world. The Japanese maple. This one is $429.99. It's big. There's a Japanese maple everywhere. Oh my goodness. Wow. This one's $309. And look, there's so many. Look at that. So the lowest price one I saw is $300, and the price goes up. And there's different types of Japanese maple. It's so pretty. Here go another one here. Another one there. And there go two more over here. There's Rudbeckia. But look. Here's the other one here. Red lace leaf, hardy in most sun areas. When they say hardy in most sun areas, I don't think that applies to Florida because our sun areas get really hot. Well guys, take a look at all the Japanese maple. Wow, they are huge. Oh, here got one this is $209. And if you notice, there are different types of Japanese maple. So this one is the Blood Good Bright Red Maple, Crimson and Fall. The other Tomokiya, however you say that word, let me go look at it. I think it's a different color. This one is a Tomokeyama. So it's red, lace leaf, hardy, so purple and fall. So this one, the leaves are a lot skinnier. See? These two, they have, it's the same. They have skinnier leaves. And then the Bloodwood. Here's another one here. This one's a Bloodgood. This one has a bigger leaves. Here's another one close by. But see, the leaves are a lot wider versus a skinny leaf. Let me see what other varieties they have. So this one, the leaf is similar to the Bloodgood. Look at that. The price on this one is $300. And the name of this one is the Emperor Purple Red in Spring, Darken in Summer Fall. This is Scarlet. So this one, I don't think it gets as red as the Bloodgood. But it's pretty. Because see, it says it has a rich purple red in the spring. So I think the Bloodgood is the reddest one. I think this one is the Tomokiya. Tamukiya. Let me see, how do you say that? Tamukiyama. There's another one that the Sakura something. I've been looking for that one. That one's super red. So if I ever see that one, I'm getting it. You got two more over here. It's like Japanese maple everywhere. This one is the Emperor Red. That was $300, and this is $300 as well. I think it's the Emperor. Yep, same one. So here go more Tamukiyama over here, and these are $209. So these are smaller pots. What is this on standard? It's a sapphire shower. It's $49.99. It looks almost like the verbena, but on standard. And as you can see, the supertunias, they're, where are the bubblegums? They're like gone. Let me show you what I got. So I got the last verbena. I kept saying I want it and put it off, and so that's the last one. And I got these two to replace the ones I currently have. Well, I'm actually moving them to another location. But this is a Chinese lantern. It's $49.99. How cute is this? Look at it. This is like the cutest flower. Let's call it Chinese lantern. Wow. That's pretty. So all these white Proven Winner containers are $6.99. Alright, so let's get these babies home and get them planted.